don't know when my nights became so complicated. Can't recall my mornings, everything is faded. Maybe this is karma, definition of jaded. This stays on my mind, this stays on my mind. Trying to put a muzzle on my crazy feelings. 1 minute I'm cold and then the next I'm sipping on with somebody new. I swear she don't deserve it. Oh, it's still on my mind.
24 seconds, yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds, can you beat the shot I got? Put you waiting on look daddy, I ain't got that much time.
Right. My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jodeci cry for you. Do things when you.
I hope you guys really don't get mad at me. It is 8:52. I left the store maybe like an hour or two ago. I'm going to act like I haven't even tried this on and show y'all what I got from Rainbow, because I have forgot, girl. So first thing, I got this bodysuit. You can't tell me body is not tea. You cannot tell me body is not tea. I'm trying to get like aware of all of my shoes that I don't really wear for real. So basically try to make a little outfit. This is supposed to be one of those. Something kind of simple, because I'm gonna try to put some more other outfits together with those shoes later on. Get on to the next thing. I only got 2 things from the store, so this is just gonna be the last thing that I got. I got 2 things from the store, and as y'all saw, I spent like 50 something dollars, I think, or 60. Rainbow is too high for me, baby. $60 for this and what I'm about to show y'all. Totally crazy. Next outfit. Breakdown. I bought these right here. These were in a pack of like 3. So we got this one, and then this one. And then I bought these. These were in a pack of like 6. No, 5. Like a pack of 5. I bought this 2-piece set. This right here. Skirt. Very cutesy, very. My only issue is I don't know what shoes I'm gonna put on with this. But let me give y'all a breakdown for real of what's supposed to be going on. Today is Friday and tomorrow is Saturday. Saturday I'm gonna be at work tomorrow. I might vlog while I'm at work tomorrow, because they be asking me why you don't ever vlog while you at work. So my bad. I will maybe include y'all in the video, so that might be y'all time. So I'm gonna vlog tomorrow. I'm gonna try to vlog while I'm at work, and then Sunday I'm supposed to be going to the coast. So this is basically what this video is about, is the coast. It is spring break, so this is kind of like a spring break vlog. So this is what I'm gonna be wearing to the coast. Everybody want to wear New Balances with the skirt, so obviously y'all gonna tell me pick the New Balance. These are from SHEIN. I don't know if I want to be walking around in these heel toe boots all day. Might not be for me. This matches the whole cream set, but really what was throwing me off was the green. I might go with these though. I really don't know. But I'm gonna put like a poll on Instagram or something, and I might ask my friends or something. So I don't know, gang. Once Saturday come, y'all know what shoe I'm gonna wear, because I'm gonna got ready with y'all. Let me take this off because I don't want it to get musty. So we're gonna hurry up and take this off. And yeah, I've been in it too long talking. I just wanted to try it on and make sure it fit, because I had got this in a medium. I'm getting a little big, so I might need a little large. So yeah, I'm gonna see you tomorrow, Saturday, once I wake up and I'm finna get ready to go to work. Bro, I walk outside to like get in the car, and I'm telling you, this is so like crazy, bro. It's literally pollen everywhere. I'm finna have to spray this down before I get in here and go, because I can't even see. Like, this is so weird. Yeah, I can't see anything. I'm gonna spray this down, then I'm gonna come back to y'all. It is 11:27. March 15th, and we are about to go to the hair store because I got a text message this morning and they was saying, hey, urban air is going to be closed today because of weather. It's supposed to be raining today. Well, it's supposed to be storming today, actually. To get some lashes because I need to redo my lashes. My lashes are very beat up, and when I be doing makeup and stuff, makeup be getting stuck to, like, I can't really explain, but I get lashes from the girl, I don't know. I'm gonna talk baby, I'm stuttering and stuff. So hopefully when we get ready to go out of town, it's not storming, because I don't know what I'm gonna do, because we supposed to be going to an amusement park, so we're not gonna be able to get on no rides because when it be raining you can't get on nothing. So hopefully we're gonna see how they go. I just rode past a Kia K5, y'all, and I swear, call me crazy, but I don't care. I want a Kia K5. Y'all keep saying, oh my god, the Kia boys are gonna get you. I don't care. I want a Kia K5 right now, today. I'm telling y'all, I'm going to make a video one day and I'm gonna be telling y'all that I got my Kia K5. Period. I'm gonna be telling y'all one day that I got my Kia K5, and y'all gonna be like, she told us she's gonna get that car, and she got it. I'm telling you, if it's not this year, it's gonna be coming up. I'm telling you, y'all gonna be crazy, but I'm gonna be so excited. I really don't care, for real. I'm going to get my Kia K5, claiming it, period. I'm at the hair store, so I'm about to find a park. I know this hair store hate to see me coming, but they be giving me them discounts though, because I be coming in there like, appreciate y'all Bookie Bears. But we finna go in this hair store, and I'm gonna talk to y'all once I get in. This not my usual hair store that I be going to. Oh my god, it's windy already. This is the hair store, beauty supply, whatever. I really don't like this hair store because they don't have everything that my other hair store used to have. So, but we just gotta deal with it. Hello. Hey. I ended up getting 2 pairs of these eyelashes called June. So these gonna be like my base that I'm gonna use, and then I got 1 lash called September, and these gonna be the lashes that I use to fill in. So like I usually get a cat eye and I double those, and then I take another type of lash and then I fill those in. Your girl got a Lululemon keychain. Put some Lulu on this butt. Lululemon.
NT, you made this?
I'm currently done with my lashes, so these are the lashes. Right now we gotta let them marinate because when they be freshly done, y'all know how they go. But right now I'm playing Fall Guys. I'm gonna do a TikTok of me like doing my makeup or whatever, just to post on TikTok for like a little content or whatever. Then after that, wash it off, and yeah, and just play the game for the rest of the day, because I'm waiting for my other game to finish updating. So I'm gonna just be wasting time with the TikTok process. So I'm doing my makeup, flat iron my hair, and make some TikToks, and then after that wash it off, get back in the bed and play the game. So I was in the middle of playing the game, and I just got a call from my mother, and she said put some clothes on. So guess what, I'm gonna put some clothes on. So I really jinxed myself when I said that I probably wasn't going nowhere, but I'm gonna see y'all if I go somewhere. So now we're gonna go somewhere. We're gonna go to the circus. So yeah, I'm just gonna wear the blue bodysuit that I bought yesterday, so I won't have to like find an outfit. I'm just gonna put it on with the shoes and everything else that I had showed y'all yesterday. So I'm gonna put that on, and then I'm gonna come back.
If you look to your left side, on the pendulum wheel, please welcome the amazing Paul Cifuentes.
Choppers. Load up the choppers, they go to your block, boom, be back smoke.
If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah, if I were good, then you could manage, yeah. Oh, we could be honest. Closer to me, oh, give me these colors. Promise that you won't let me fall.
That I can have this moment for life.
You could do that. You could do
Don't worry about me and who I fire. I get what I desire, it's my empire. And yes, I call the shots, I am the umpire. I sprinkle holy water upon the vampire. In this very moment, I'm king. In this very moment, I slay Goliath with the sling. This very moment, I put it on everything. That I will retire with the ring, and I will retire with the crown. Yes, no, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes, clap for the heavyweight champ, me. But I couldn't do it all alone. We, young money raised me, grew up out in Paisley, Southside Jamaica, Queens, and it's crazy. Cause I'm still hood, Hollywood couldn't change me. Shout out to my haters, sorry that you couldn't faze me. Ain't being cocky, we just vindicated. Best believe that when we done this moment, we'll be syndicated. I don't know, this night just remind me of everything they deprived me of. Put your drinks up. It's a celebration every time we linked up. We done did everything they could think of. Greatness is what we wanna bring up.
We get on the rope course.
holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life, all like you could be. telling me lies, making me cry. Missing my time the whole time, so just be careful what you take for granted. Yeah.
3:41. At finish line, go-karts, and some more stuff. Ooh, I'm gonna take a picture of this right here. My lace is lifting. Like, this is ugly. Yeah, I couldn't record while we was at the go-karts because the man told me, he said, you're not going to be able to do what you think you're about to do. I was trying to put my camera down, but I ain't even get in the go-kart. He told me, hand it to somebody else. Say it, Zoe. Say it. We at the beach.
Look, this is sand.
Yes, we see sand. It's sand everywhere. We need to make sand castles. Run, Zoe!
Zoe, come here.
Just fell in the sand and I was dirty. So I'm about to take my camera back to my mama because I don't need my camera getting dirty and then some get in the little holes and stuff and it can't work. So hopefully we get something to eat after this and then I'm gonna see y'all whenever we get to like an eating place or something.